Okay, this is test number 1 of 1.6 millimeter copper wire being deposited on aluminum nitride, medium polished aluminum nitride, 99%, at 15 millimeters per minute of surface feed rate, 30,000 RPM, and a total XZ feed ratio of 80, which means 10 millimeters of surface feed distance from 0.125 millimeters of Z feed height. So with no further ado, I'm going to turn the spindle on to 30,000 RPM and start the deposition. Contact. Hold on. There's a problem here. We don't have a tight enough grip on the copper, it appears. So I'm going to have to start over again.